Siri is good at basic tasks, but when you need to get a meaningful answer, help with finding information, ideas, advice, it's better to use ChatGPT. Watch till the end. I will share how to make using ChatGPT even more convenient. Before we start, make sure you have ChatGPT. Now we are gonna open Shortcuts app and make sure that on the bottom you tapped on the shortcuts. Here, I'm gonna click on this little plus in the upper right corner and search for the action ChatGPT. So if you would like to start text conversations with ChatGPT instead of Siri, then use this option. But if you wanna talk to the ChatGPT, select voice mode. It is more like Siri, so I'm gonna choose voice mode to be able to talk with ChatGPT. Let's click on it. On the top, I'm gonna tap on this arrow because now it is named as new shortcut. So we are gonna rename it to the voice mode, for example, or you can rename it to the ChatGPT, something like that. Let's enter ChatGPT and tap done. Now I'm gonna tap done again to save it to my shortcuts list. After that, we need to go in settings. Here, find accessibility, then scroll till the touch section, and then scroll down to find back tab. So what we are gonna do is we are gonna set ChatGPT either for a double tap or a triple tap. Double tap is more convenient, so I'm gonna select it. Then I'm gonna find shortcuts in the list and use my ChatGPT option. Now let's just go back to save changes and let's try this out. So we need to double tap back part of the phone to start conversation with ChatGPT. This feature is not accurate, so sometimes you just need to get used to it to be able to trigger ChatGPT. And as you can see, it's working. My conversation has been started. So we can also end this voice chat and just type to ChatGPT and ask him about anything. And now, bonus I promised you. You can set Siri to trigger ChatGPT. Just say a phrase and chat will be opened immediately. For that, go back in your shortcuts, click on three dots on your ChatGPT, and again tap the arrow and tap rename. From here, I want you to enter the trigger phrase. For example, open ChatGPT. Or you can enter open helper, anything you want to. It needs to be full phrase, not just ChatGPT or not just helper, but the full phrase. Open ChatGPT, open helper, trigger ChatGPT, trigger helper, something like that. Now I'm gonna click done, then click done again, and let's try this out. Hey Siri, open ChatGPT. And as you can see, it done my command. So that's it for today. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it. Bye bye.